Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the topic of AI or artificial intelligence. AI is a term that has become increasingly popular in recent years and has led to many advancements in technology and society. In this video, we will be exploring what AI is, how it works, and its impact on the world. What is AI? At its core, AI is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. These systems are designed to analyze data and patterns, and then use that information to make informed decisions. How does AI work? AI is built upon the idea of machine learning, which allows computers to learn and adapt based on their experiences. This involves creating algorithms and models that can be trained on large datasets, allowing the system to learn and improve over time. Additionally, AI systems can use a variety of techniques, such as neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision, to interpret and analyze data. Types of AI. There are three main types of AI: narrow or weak AI, general or strong AI, and artificial superintelligence. Narrow or weak AI is designed to perform a single task or a limited range of tasks, such as playing chess or recognizing speech. General or strong AI is more versatile and can perform a wide range of tasks, similar to how a human can. Artificial superintelligence, on the other hand, is a hypothetical future development where AI surpasses human intelligence. Applications of AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Some examples of AI applications include self-driving cars, personalized medicine, fraud detection, and recommendation systems for online shopping. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to impact many areas of our lives. From understanding what AI is and how it works, to exploring its applications and potential concerns, there is much to learn about this exciting and growing field. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on future content.